This is London with Bitcoin Spike and VIPTrader.com. We're going to go through the details on Bitcoin. Pay attention. I have laid out for you guys the following. Guys, subscribe, hit the like button if you like these updates. I want to show you what we have been working on. First of all, before we get into the details of Bitcoin, take a look at the back screens behind me. 15 screens, okay? Now, what is the whole point in 15 monitors? Guys, Control HQ. I've been telling you we're building this for VIP in 2022. What does that mean? As we look at the specifics, let me drag over this. And guys, shout out to the VIP. It's Thanksgiving. Hey, almost, guys, almost. We have a lot to be thankful for, including VIP, family, good times, friends, everything going well. Guys, in the markets, etc. We wanted lower prices. We wanted lower prices. I know it doesn't feel like you wanted all this with FTX, etc. We wanted this, guys. Congratulations to the VIP. Heavy cash reserves. That has been our mantra since before 69,000. Heavy cash reserves. Congratulations to the VIP. Now, looking at the 15 monitors in the back, I'm going to tell you guys, Control HQ, what does that allow me to do? It allows me to bring you the technicals after looking at everything, right? Absolutely. I want to shout out to the VIP. Our indicator has been trading very well. I told you yesterday, Jackie Chan hands, meaning like karate, right? Okay, quick hands. You need to have quick hands. The 4-hourly. Traded multiple times. That 4-hourly hit has been strong. Way to go, guys. Way to trade. Shout out to Venus. Shout out to J-Max. See you trading in the back. Salute. What's going on, guys? Way to trade. Way to trade, guys. That's what I like to see. Now, in terms of the 15 monitors, let's say on the right-hand side, I've got the 5-minute, okay? On the left-hand side, and I want to bring, I'd say like a word of caution. Maybe, I don't know, guys. I don't want to say advice. I'll say advice. Not financial advice. You guys know that. This is London, former hedge fund owner, private, non-SEC, not financial advice. But what I'll say is, as you listen, guys, as you hear people start to come up with, let's say trying to forecast where the market is going, I'm going to give you some advice to look to the relevant TA authorities. Okay, look at the relevant TA authorities, meaning the New York Institute of Finance. Let the experts guide you, the real experts that teach pro traders, the best traders in the world. Guys, let them guide you. Let Bulkowski, pay attention, guys, let Bulkowski, right, the encyclopedia of chart patterns, tell you, for instance, as we would look at this, and very important in terms of the chart work, I want to bring you the logarithmic chart, a point that I have been delivering to you guys, the VIP. And guys, join today, #1 trade group. If you're not a member already, I promote the group because I want to trade, and I do trade with the group. Guys, I'm a VIP as well. #1 trade group, guys, big time. We want to recruit the best traders around, period. And you guys know that. Now, in terms of what you're looking at on the weekly time frame, you see the flat top resistance. You see the ascending line of support. You see that on the weekly time frame. Now, there is a tendency, pay attention, there's a tendency in the market. Now, what this is called is a throwback. When you have, and this is the logarithmic weekly chart. Logarithmic weekly chart, when you see a flat top resistance, ascending line of support, the notion that we would travel back, boom, to this flat top resistance, you guys, this is not whether or not I say, me personally, it's going to happen or it's not going to happen. The bottom line is the following, and we'll continue to trade. You see on the right-hand side a bit of a bullish, a micro-bullish feature and framework, which has just hit again into our 4-hourly buy line. Multiple trades to that 4-hourly buy line, guys. The reason I say I like it, you've had multiple opportunities to double your money in the last 24 hours. Speaking of that, just very quickly, take a look at. We'll take a look at the returns in a moment, guys. Let's get back to the flat top resistance, ascending line of support. Now, the authorities on TA, not someone with an idea that, well, you know, I think, this is the important part, I think that Bitcoin's going to 10,000 or 11,000 and I'm going to be right or wrong. Guys, don't create phenomenons. Don't create these famous or infamous type of reactions to who may be right or wrong in the market. Let's look instead at the entire 30-plus year history of all of the markets. Guys, all of the patterns, over 150,000 patterns. You guys got it. It's not such and such is right or such and such will be wrong. This is all of the historical data computed into the single question. Will we return to this level of, guys, this level? And shout out to the VIP guys, Thanksgiving incoming, excited about that. 11,500 is the flat top resistance, ascending line of support. So as we look at that question, it doesn't depend on maybe a certain right answer from the next guy or from the wrong guy or the right guy, or guys, when you're searching like that, you're out of the big leagues. The big leagues is you digging into the source of technical analysis. You guys got that, huh? New York Institute of Finance, or Bulkowski, which we use, Encyclopedia of Chart Patterns. What does Bulkowski tell us about that return down to that 11,500? Bulkowski tells us right here, guys, there's a 64% chance. Bottom line, 64% chance of us going to that level. You see the throwback right there, that 64% chance. So when we're looking at that, and that's on the weekly time frame, but that's how we approach the market. Now, I have a 64% chance of rain tomorrow. You guys want an umbrella? Yeah, probably going to think about it, right? So as we look at probability trading, we're not looking for the next hot opinion. We don't want the next hot opinion. Guys, I want you to frame probabilities. I want you to frame your interaction with the market. And I'll say this, the probabilities are a starting point. Without a doubt, those are a starting point, right? And as I look at the entirety, take a look at this just one more time for me, the entirety of the 15 monitor spread. Guys, this is not just a showpiece. This is for VIP. This is for the #1 trade group, 2022. We are building. Shout out to Venus. Hey, Venus, what's going on? Great to see you trading. In 2022 and 2023, we will be building. We're so excited. So understand the probabilities in play, not the next hot opinion from the next right or wrong guy, but delving in deeply yourself to the authorities, processing the information. Now, knowing the direction is part of the equation. The second is really how to approach and navigate your entries, maximizing your entries for those directions. And as we're at the bottom, I was going to tell you guys, as we are at the bottom right now of a complicated level, I want to remind you, we discussed, I told you guys about this expanding, this orange patterning here, that expanding, broadening, bearish. You guys got that bearish feature there. So we're down and out of that. The complication comes in the form of the following, and guys, pay attention. Pay attention to this. The specific descending triangulation that we currently have on the hourly, this is a big deal, guys. This is a big, big deal on the hourly, because we are technically below on the lines. We are technically below the level of support. We are just hanging on by a thread. I'm going to tell you guys this, never be overexposed at any higher price. As you will look at the hourly, please, on your desktop computers, and I recommend everyone watch this on a big screen TV. Without a doubt, guys, big screen TV, boom, right? Don't squeeze this in on a cell phone. Big screen TV. You're seeing right now our incredible indicator, and guys, the most incredible part about it is the fire and ice. Without a doubt, the fire and ice. But take a look at this most recent hit at the 4-hourly, 2.87%. Boom, we had over a 2.5% yesterday. Boom, guys, nice hits, nice trades. Way to go, very important. In the fire sale line, if you will dig into the 5-minute, for instance, I want to caution all of you. I will caution you. I don't want to scare you in terms of your participation in the market. But looking at the descending triangulation, what I'll say is the following. You need to be prepared through your capital management. And again, not financial advice. You guys know, former hedge fund owner, private non-SEC, and this is not financial advice. It's Bitcoin, so that would be impossible anyway, just to tell you. We checked with the Security Control Board, etc. It would be impossible. We ran it all by them. Taking a look, though, you need to be prepared through your capital management. We do that through heavy cash reserves. I've been saying that since before 69,000 to some heavy-handed people. You guys know that. With $500 million in exposure, and not the FTX kind of exposure, guys, the real exposure in the markets, heavy cash reserves. We haven't moved. We haven't wavered from that one time. So looking at that, you understand that the descending triangulation is that descending line of resistance right across the top, that flat bottom support. You see that the only thing that has caught us underneath this line of support on the lines literally is our indicator. That's it, guys. Literally our indicators. The only thing that has caught you on the green buy line on the 4 hourly. Boom, that's VIP, guys. This is London with Bitcoin Spike. We have a bit of a bullish pattern. Right now, we have a bit of a bullish pattern. And I know you guys are like a bullish pattern right now, but on the 5 minute, I had to tell you, on the 5 minute, we just caught a fire sale. We just caught a fire sale, which is our bottom line. Guys, this is London with Bitcoin Spike. We're going to be trading in the back. Congratulations. We want to welcome all the new VIPs. We'll be setting up more and more over the next couple of days and weeks. We're going to be working through the holidays for you. And take a look, guys. This is going to be awesome. When I'm able to get in the back here, when I'm able to get in the back and walk through the specific charts, we're going to have a blackboard as well. It's going to be awesome. We're excited to bring this to you in 2022 for the VIP. This is London. Guys, book your trades. What I'm going to tell you right now, you want to know this. You know the answers. You just got the 65%, right? Book your trades. And I'm going to tell you, guys, impresses in the back. Throw your returns in the back. J-Mac, way to go. Nice to see those. Guys, where are you at? Won't name names. I know a lot of guys are trading in the back. I see AJ Crypto right there, my man. Hats off to your brother, former Air Force, loud and proud. What's up, my man? We'll talk to you guys soon. This is London. We're trading in the back. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.